Criticism is an inevitable part of life that can either hinder or help our personal development. This blog post explores the nature of criticism, distinguishing between positive and negative feedback, and offers insights on how to respond constructively to criticism while maintaining a commitment to personal growth and good deeds. Criticism is a universal experience that everyone encounters at some point in their lives. Whether it comes from friends, family, or strangers, the opinions and judgments of others can often feel overwhelming. In this discussion, we will explore how to navigate criticism through the lens of Buddhist teachings, focusing on the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and continuing our personal development despite external judgments. The nature of criticism. Criticism is an inherent part of human interaction. It is important to recognize that we cannot control how others perceive or judge us. As the Supreme Buddha explained to a Brahman named Atula, criticism has existed since ancient times and is a common phenomenon that everyone faces. Types of criticism. There are two primary types of criticism that we encounter. Positive criticism. This type of feedback comes from those who genuinely care about our well-being, such as parents, teachers, and mentors. Their critiques are aimed at helping us improve and develop good qualities. It is essential to listen to this constructive criticism and view it as an opportunity for growth rather than a negative attack. Negative criticism. This criticism often stems from jealousy, anger, or misunderstanding. It can lead to feelings of sadness, anxiety, and self-doubt. However, it is crucial not to let negative criticism deter us from our good practices and deeds. Responding to criticism. When faced with criticism, it is vital to maintain a balanced perspective. Here are some strategies to effectively handle criticism. Listen and reflect. When receiving feedback, especially positive criticism, take the time to listen and reflect on the advice given. This can help you identify areas for improvement and foster personal growth. Maintain your practices. Do not allow negative criticism to derail your commitment to good deeds and positive practices. It is essential to continue pursuing your goals and values, regardless of what others may say. Cultivate patience and kindness. In the face of negative criticism, practice patience and kindness. Understand that the judgments made by others may be based on misconceptions. Instead of arguing or trying to prove them wrong, choose to remain calm and composed. The path to personal growth. Criticism, whether positive or negative, can serve as a catalyst for personal development. By embracing criticism, we open ourselves to opportunities for growth and self-improvement. The more we face criticism, the more resilient we become, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. Learning from experience. Every individual who has made a significant impact on the world has faced criticism. Even revered figures like the Supreme Buddha encountered judgment. This illustrates that criticism is not a reflection of our worth but rather a part of the journey toward achieving greatness. Conclusion. In conclusion, criticism is an unavoidable aspect of life that can either hinder or enhance our personal growth. By distinguishing between positive and negative criticism and responding with patience and kindness, we can navigate these challenges effectively. Remember, the key is not just to go through life but to grow through it. Embrace criticism as a tool for development and continue to practice good deeds and positive actions in your life. As we face the inevitable criticisms of life, let us strive to cultivate our inner strength and resilience, ensuring that we remain committed to our personal growth and the betterment of ourselves and the world around us.